How to calibrate the TAC O2 Analyzer using atmosphere 20.9%. First, press F2 to check the calibration status screen. Compare the numbers against the calibration gas standard, as shown here. If all numbers are correct, press F1 to return to the home screen. Ensure the line gas is flowing by adjusting the dial on the left of the front panel. The measurement ball should rise. On the right side of the O2 analyzer, turn the valve from sample to standard. It should drop the measurement ball on the front panel to the bottom. This signals that the line gas is no longer in use. Unscrew and open the front panel of the O2 analyzer. Flip the range switch up to where the panel reads range locked 0 to 25%. Open your sensor to atmosphere or install your new sensor. The sensor with the bullseye goes towards the 2 pins. Being careful not to break the pins, install the bullseye into the pins and hold to atmosphere. Once holding to atmosphere, use the blue buttons on the board to adjust the number on the display to 20.9%. You want it to stay there for 10 to 20 seconds. Flip the range switch back down for the screen to read 0 to 100 ppm and then reinstall the O2 sensor. Once the sensor has been reinstalled, turn the valve on the side of the analyzer, pointing straight up to sample. Shut and screw the front panel back into place. Several factors can contribute for the sensor readings to come down into range, so patience is key. If you have any further questions, please contact TAC at 281-240-4160